Hey everybody, my name is Michelle Abadi and I'm a professional race car driver. I race in the Trans Am series, and this year we headed to one of the fastest tracks in the nation, Road America. First opening laps of the test session, unfortunately I had a mechanical brake failure at 150 miles an hour and I hit the wall dead on around 70. When I hit the wall, my car erupted into flames. At that point, I knew I needed to get out. When I tried to get out, my ankle kind of let out underneath me and I knew something was wrong. And it turns out that my tibia crushed my talus bone and I was gonna need surgery. When I got home a few days later, I went to the doctor and he gave me a couple options. One was to sit around for a few months and hope that my bone would heal on its own. The other would be to use the Zimmer Biomet AccuFeel procedure to help my talus bone heal quickly, stronger, and more efficiently. This was a super clear option for me because I'm missing the seat and I'm really looking forward to getting back as quickly as possible. Just a few days later, I was cleared to have my surgery and I headed to the hospital, really kind of excited to get this show on the road because I just can't wait to get back in the car. Once I got rolled into the operations room, it was really surprising. The Zimmer Biomet representative was actually there and spoke with me before my procedure. They even shared with me exactly what it was getting put into my ankle. Super cool to have the information transparently shown to me, and I just was feeling really happy to get this show on the road because all I want to do is get back into my race car. Once the procedure was done, I was outpatient out of the hospital and I was brought home. The recovery process has been super simple, and actually I'm looking forward to get back in my race car in the next couple weeks. The amount of information that I was able to look up on my own, what was given to me from my doctor, and just in general about Zimmer Biomet was so incredibly confident inspiring that it made it easy for me to understand what was gonna happen, how, and the recovery process. This was super good for me because being an athlete, I have to be able to perform, and this was the clear choice because it was everything I needed. I didn't need to get any hardware in my ankle, which is a big issue, and if you can avoid it, it's much better. And it just made me feel really good that even my doctor was telling me that this would be the best option. It's been 2 weeks since my surgery and I'm already up and walking around. I no longer have to use my crutches and I'm getting my mobility back to be 100%. This has been such an awesome experience considering the circumstances, and I'm just so grateful that I've had this option and it was given to me from the professional opinion, and it happened so quickly. I can't say thank you enough to Zimmer Biomet for your amazing technology and advancements in the medical field. This has helped me bounce back quicker than ever, and I can't wait to get back in the race car. Thank you guys so much for all you do. I'm so grateful for being a participant in one of your guys' procedures, and I look forward to what the future brings.